Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Crochet Khazana. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to crochet bubble drops flower granny square. For this pattern, I am using 5mm crochet hook. Let's begin the video. First, make a slip knot. Then make a chain of 4. To make a chain, yarn over, pull through the loop on the hook chain 1. Yarn over, pull through the loop on the hook chain 2, 3, 4. Then make a slip stitch in the first chain. Insert the hook in the first chain. Grab the yarn and pull through both loops on the hook. To start our first row, make a chain of 3. Chain 3 does count as our first double crochet. In the center, we are going to make 11 more double crochets. To make a double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook in the center, pull up the yarn. We have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. Yarn over, insert the hook in the center, pull up the yarn. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. Continue to make 9 more double crochets in the center. Total I have done 12 double crochets including chain 3. Then make a slip stitch in the chain 3. Insert the hook in the chain 3. Grab the yarn and pull through both loops on the hook. Completed my first row. To start our next row, make a chain and make a front post bubble drop in the chain 3. Yarn over, insert the hook around the chain 3. Pull up the yarn. Yarn over, insert the hook around the chain 3. Pull up the yarn. Yarn over, insert the hook around the chain 3 and pull up the yarn. We have 7 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 6 loops and yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. In the next stitch, make 3 double crochets. Yarn over, insert the hook in the next stitch, pull up the yarn, yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. Make 2 more double crochets in the same stitch. In the next stitch, make front post bubble drop. So yarn over, insert the hook around the double crochet and pull up the yarn. Yarn over, insert the hook around the double crochet and pull up the yarn. Yarn over, insert the hook around the double crochet and pull up the yarn. Yarn over, pull through 6 loops and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Then chain 3 for corner. And in the next stitch, make front post bubble drop. Yarn over, pull through 6 loops and yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. In the next stitch, make 3 double crochets. In the next double crochet, make a front post bubble drop. Then chain 3 for corner and make a front post bubble drop in the next double crochet. Continue like this all the way across. In the next stitch, make 3 double crochets. In the next stitch, front post bubble drop. And chain 3 for corner. And front post bubble drop in the next double crochet. In the next stitch, 3 double crochets. In the next stitch, make a front post bubble drop. Chain 3 and make a slip stitch in the bubble drop stitch. Make a chain and cut the yarn. Take another yarn, insert the hook in the same stitch and pull the yarn. Then make a chain of 3. In the next double crochet, make a double crochet. Make a chain. Skip 1 double crochet and make a double crochet in the next stitch. Make a double crochet on the bubble drop stitch. In the chain 3 space, make 2 double crochets, chain 3 and 2 double crochets. Then chain 3 and 2 more double crochets in the same space. Make a double crochet on the bubble drop stitch. Make a double crochet in the next stitch. Then chain 1, skip 1 stitch and in the next stitch make a double crochet. Double crochet in the next bubble drop stitch. In the corner, make 2 double crochets, chain 3 and 2 double crochets. Continue like this all the way across. Make a slip stitch in the chain 3. Make a chain and cut the yarn. Insert the hook in the chain 3. Take a yarn and make a chain and make a single crochet in the same stitch. In the next stitch, make a single crochet and make a front post bubble drop in the middle double crochet which we have skipped in the previous row. Yarn over, pull through 6 loops and yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. Make a single crochet in the next 4 stitches. In the chain 3 space, make 5 single crochets. In the next 4 stitches, make a single crochet. Make a front post bubble drop in the middle double crochet, which we have skipped in the previous row. Make a single crochet in the next 4 stitches. In the chain 3 space, make 5 single crochets. Continue like this all the way across. Make a slip stitch in the first single crochet. Make a chain and cut the yarn. If you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.